Most famous historic images came to life.
Prince Charles and Princess Diana. Hitler at a Nazi party rally.
A man on the moon.
Coal miner waiting to get into the communal shower at the end of his shift. Lewis Hines photos such as this one of Breaker Boys, who picked pieces of slate from conveyor belts as freshly broken pieces of coal rolled by, helped raise support for child labor laws.
Soldiers raising American flag. Checking on injured soldier.
The first moments of Hitler's final salutio. Rolly Free accelerated as he readied to break the motorcycle world speed record on the Bonneville Salt Flats in Utah, 1948. Charlie Chapley. The Tulsa Race Massacre. Burning of the Dublin Custom House. Chinese guerrilla fighter Chen Benhu a smiling moment before execution by the Japanese. She was 24. Sailors saluting a war veteran, Leningrad, 1989. The director of the Belgrade Zoo tries to convince Sammy the chimpanzee to return home after he escaped, 1988.
Albert Einstein in a library. Muhammad Ali posing near fight.
Pouring illegal alcohol into the New York sewer. The birth of Aston Martin.
Abraham Lincoln. Luther King Jr. Albert Einstein. Che Guevara's iconic photo. Portrait of Mona Lisa. A lone man refusing to do the Nazi salute, 1936. Nikola Tesla sitting in his laboratory with his magnifying transmitter. For children for sale. Inquire within. First morning, after Sweden changed from driving on the left to the right side of the road. Painters of the Eiffel Tower. Canadian police officer guarding a pharmacy during a flood. Galt, Ontario, Canada. Young people dancing to jazz music at the Storyville Club, Copenhagen, Denmark. The Black Gate, the spire of St. Nicholas Cathedral and the Dogleed Stairs in Newcastle, England. A message-carrying pigeon being released from a porthole in the side of a British Mark V tank. American soldier shows off the helmet that saved his life during the Vietnam War. Starving child Dan Vulture. Lunch at top of a skyscraper. Gondian the spinning wheel. Raising a flag over the Reichstag. Gorilla in the Congo. Wind-blown Jackie.